What are you doing, Sunshine? You sitting on Mommy's shoulder? Are you sitting on my shoulder? It's Sunshine sitting on the shoulder. Sitting on the shoulder. And Taffy's right down there. Hey, she sit on the shoulder. Yes, pretty Sunshine. Pretty bird. You watching TV? Oh, pretty boy Sunshine. He's a pretty boy. Yeah, that's another birdie. Ah, don't. Hey, don't you bite me, that hurt. You gotta be nice. You gotta be nice, birdie. That's right. No, don't be biting me. That's funny. You know, that beak does a lot of damage, buddy boy. Aww. 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 Can you see Taffy? See there's Taffy? Oh my, Taffy got her nose in there. Did you see Taffy down there? I got sunshine. Sunshine on my shoulder makes me happy. What? That's another bird. There's another bird, Sunshine. Come here. But can you say hello? Can you say hello, Sunshine? Can you say hello? Hello. Why? Was that enough? Was that enough? That's a lot for you. Just I don't want you biting my nose. Ouch! Son of a mucker. That hurt. That hurt, buddy boy. That hurt. That hurt bad. Which means we're not going to have you up on my shoulder very much, and not until you calm down. You're talking into my ear. Yeah, no. I'm going to be bleeding there. That was right under my eye. Okay, buddy boy.